Hello guys, what's up? This is Manak from Civil Center and welcome all back to our channel. So friends, in today's video, we'll show you how to create a circular beam in Tekla Structural Designer. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So as you can see, we have a model here. This is a simple model and we want to create a circular beam. So for that, let us go to our ground floor step level. So this is the level at which we want to create a circular beam actually. So we'll go to our model and then we'll go select beam. Now we'll join this beam simply from here, single click, and here double click. So this beam has been joined. Now we can select this beam and go to the properties of this beam. Simply select this and go to its properties. So as you can see, we have these properties of this beam, and here we have various options, and among them we have an option of, you can see here, linearity here. So linearity here by default is straight. So let us do it as curve minor. We have selected curve minor. Now after that we can give a chord height of say 3 meter. So we've given a chord height of 3 meter. As you can see, this beam shape has been changed to circular, as you can see here. So we have used the option of curved minor and then we have created a circular beam along this axis. So if we want to create a circular beam along the vertical axis, so what we'll do, we'll use the curved major option. So let us just check and find out. We'll go to the structural one and this beam has been selected. Let us go to the option of linearity. As you can see here, we'll change this to curved major. Now after changing this to curved major, let us see what happens in the 3D view. As you can see here, it is visible in the 3D view. So if you want to give this type of beams, circular beams in the elevation, we can do this using the option of curved major. So friends, this was the option of using circular beams. Let us go back and just change the properties of this beam back into curved minor. So now if we want to, next question will be, if we want to give a slab, we want to provide a slab, so how will you do it? So let's suppose we'll go to the slab on beams. We'll just select a slab. We'll just assign a slab here. So as you can see, the slab has been assigned here, and you can also see in the 3D view, you see there's a beam and column structure and the slab has been assigned. And what happens in some cases, there is also a beam in this portion. You can provide it later also, like you select a beam here, you want to provide a beam here, we just simply provide it. So we'll go to the 3D view. As you can see, so this is a default way, this is the easy way to create a circular beam in Tekla Structural Designer, and the software interface is very easy. And if you want to learn this software from us, you can contact the number given in the description below. And see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned to our channel. Stay safe. Bye bye.